Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1 in a bright yellow color with the 351 Cleveland 4-barrel engine and black interior, also with an automatic transmission and with the rear window slats and the rear spoiler. This one just had a real good look to it with the yellow and black contrasting colors with the Mustang, the Magnum 500 road wheels on it. Just had a real good look to it. And somebody had done a great restoration on the car. It was a real good looker, that's for sure. Caught your eye from a mile away, especially with the bright yellow color. And if you notice under the hood, they did a superb job with the restoration, that's for sure. As far as the Mustang goes for 1970, the Mach 1 was the first generation of the Mach 1, 1969 and 1970. And for 1970, they had some appearance changes. They had the new single headlights on it, the dual headlights, as opposed to the quad headlights they used to have. They used to have 4-inch headlights. Now they had the two 7-inch headlights, and now they had the sport lamps in the grille instead of the inside lights, the bright lights for the 1969 model. Also, the tail lights were now recessed, and they had a black honeycomb panel on the rear, and was just a flat panel now instead of being concave like it was on the 69 Mach 1. And the simulated side scoops behind the doors were removed. But as far as the new engine, I guess in the 351 Cleveland, 1970 was the first year for that model, I guess. And this one had the 4-barrel, which still had 11-to-1 compression and produced 300 horsepower at 5,400 RPM. So it had some get up and go, that's for sure. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.